Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a grand castle where a young prince lived. This prince was not kind and turned away an old beggar woman who offered him a single rose in exchange for shelter. Little did he know, she was an enchantress in disguise. To punish him for his unkindness, she turned him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. Years passed, and the once beautiful castle fell into ruin, hidden deep within a dark forest. The only way to break the spell was if the beast could learn to love and be loved in return before the last petal of the enchanted rose fell. In a nearby village lived a beautiful and kind-hearted girl named Belle. She loved to read books and dreamed of adventure. Her father, Maurice, was an inventor. One day, Maurice set off to showcase his latest invention, but got lost in the forest and stumbled upon the beast's castle. The beast captured him, but Belle bravely offered to take her father's place. As time passed, Belle began to see beyond the beast's frightening appearance and discovered his kind and gentle heart. They shared dinners, danced, and enjoyed each other's company. Slowly, they began to fall in love. Meanwhile, a boastful hunter named Gaston, who wanted to marry Belle, learned about the beast and rallied the villagers to attack the castle. In a fierce battle, the beast was gravely injured while protecting Belle. Just as the last petal was about to fall, Belle tearfully confessed her love for the beast. At that moment, the spell was broken. The beast transformed back into a handsome prince, and the castle and its inhabitants returned to their human forms. The prince and Belle lived happily ever after, proving that true beauty comes from within. The story of Beauty and the Beast teaches us that it's what's inside that counts. True beauty is found in a person's heart and actions, not just their appearance. Kindness, love, and understanding are the keys to finding true happiness and breaking even the strongest of curses. Thank you for listening to our story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more magical tales.